What happened to your face?
Felt good yesterday. The weather was good, so I decided to play basketball. I
Mhm.
got elbowed in the lip. So
I'm sorry to hear about that. I hope somebody called a foul.
I did.
Okay. All right. So we're here for sentencing.
Correct.
And both parties requested that this be reset so that perhaps your client could prepare a letter because I think he wanted
I
to.
already have a.
All right. Thank you. And then there was going to be a victim impact. Is that
Correct.
correct? All right. So you entered a plea previously on February 18th of no contest. The court found that there was sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court found you guilty. Are parties ready to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client with regards to sentencing?
I would state that Mr. Skinner is very remorseful for this incident.
Mhm.
I've talked to him about it. He would like to make a statement, and I would like to call him as a witness, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record, please.
Dylan Jacob Skinner.
All right, defense.
Thank you. Dylan, could you make your statement and speak into the microphone and very loud?
I apologize to the court, to my family. I never thought I'd go to for all the things that I've done that I'd probably go to prison for. I never thought it'd be for something like this, and I feel terrible. I'm gonna live every day in that jail cell, prison cell, getting eat up by the fact that I did something messed up. I deserve to go to PDC for it, and I love my mom. I never wanted to do that. I apologize.
All right. Anything else, defense?
Nothing.
Anything from the state? All right, so I have a question. So why did you do this? Because part of you're not being back in this situation again is figuring out why you did it.
No work, just I really honestly feel like there was just a monster inside of me. You know, I was drunk too. And all the pent up anger, because I'm really not a violent person.
All right, what were you angry about?
Just not having a job, struggling, living with my mom, 25 years old, you know, just getting out of jail a month prior, struggling too, on top of that, you know, just really just financial struggles.
And there it is. The legal reality hits hard. The 4-year sentence may grab the headlines, but listen closely to the additional findings. Family violence and deadly weapon findings can create long-term consequences that follow someone long after they leave prison. Then comes the no contact order with his mother, which may be the most emotionally painful part of the sentence. For many defendants, losing freedom is one thing. Losing family relationships is something entirely different. Drop a comment below. What do you think carries the heavier punishment here? The prison time or the damage to the family?
I'm understanding. The legal penalties are significant, but when I hear about the no contact order with his mother, that seems like it hurts the most.
Exactly. It's the emotional impact. The prison time is limited.
All right.
So
But
I
losing
apologize to
family
the court, and I
connections can
apologize
feel
to
much
my mother,
longer.
and I love her.
Okay. All right. Anything else before the court entered sentence?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Dusty, D-U-S-T-Y Skinner. Take in consideration 2024 CC 739463. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. There's to be therapeutic community. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just a moment. I'm going to wait till they finish here on the side.
Judge, I'm not talking to you.
Okay,
No, I'm ignoring them.
thank you.
Just waiting for you to finish, Judge.
All right. All right, did you sign it?
Yeah.
Mr. Skinner?
Yes, ma'am, I signed it.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to.
This is the moment that changes the entire tone of the hearing. Up until now, we've heard from the defendant, the attorneys, and the judge. But victim impact statements bring the human cost into sharp focus. The mother's words aren't focused on punishment. They're focused on pain, betrayal, and the lasting consequences of a few violent minutes. The courtroom goes from discussing years and legal findings to discussing scars, surgeries, memories, and a family that's been permanently altered. Whatever side you're on, this is the part that's hardest to ignore.
Oh, this is so powerful. I can really feel the weight of her words. How is the judge supposed to decide punishment? Well, the judge has to follow legal guidelines, but this also provides context for why a crime occurred. It gives you humanity. I see.
Tattoos, but no more face tattoos, okay? Because people will see you, they see the face tattoos, and they think some sort of way.
Too, probably.
Yes. All right. All right. So my understanding, there's a victim impact. All
Mr.
right.
Skinner, over here. Put your back against the counter.
I really don't know. I have got some pain in my leg. I have a different say to you. That's rich. It's destroyed. Give you life and you tried to take mine, and I will never be able to have the question of why I answer. You're so selfish. Your dad read me letters that you wrote to him, and you never once asked about me if I was okay after what you did. You said that you love everyone, but you tried to leave your brother and your sister without me. After you did this to me, I found out that I'm not the only one who hurt, and it makes it a little less difficult to say that I will never forgive you for the things you've done. And you destroyed your relationship with your entire family, and I hope that weight sinks in as I read this. The physical wounds that I have from what you did, the broken eye socket that required surgery, and the damage you did to my ear that took 2 procedures to fix, the severe concussion that affects my memory, and the chronic pain that I have in my neck now, that's healing. But the emotional damage is going to take a long time, and not just for me. Despite everything, my heart aches because I am your mom, and I struggle.
This is one of those moments judges listen to very carefully. Notice that the court isn't just asking what happened, it's asking why it happened. In sentencing, accountability often matters as much as the facts of the crime itself. Skinner admits he was struggling, unemployed, living with his mother, and dealing with frustration. But the judge seems to be searching for something deeper, genuine insight into what caused the violence. What do you think? Does his explanation sound like true self-reflection, or does it still feel like he's searching for answers himself?
Yes, Judge.
Good morning. All right. We're scheduled for jury trial.
Yes, Judge.
All right. So jury will be up here at 11.
Okay, Judge.
All right.